the ghost. Sunny was a very naughty boy who always liked to play pranks on his mother. One day, his mother had to go to the market and left him with his grandmother. After some time, he got bored and felt hungry. His mother told him to eat cookies in the cabinet if he got hungry. Instead of asking his grandmother or eating some cookies, he decided to cook something by himself. Sunny thought it would be a good idea to knead some dough in the kitchen and surprise his mother with a cake. He took out the flour, water, eggs and sugar and started to mix them in a big bowl. But he was not very careful and soon the flour was flying everywhere. When he was trying to take the flour box from the shelf, it fell on his head. He got covered in white powder and looked like a ghost. He thought it was fun and decided to scare his mother when she came back. He waited near the door and when he heard his mother's footsteps, he jumped out and shouted, "Boo!" His mother was so startled that she dropped her shopping bags and screamed. She thought he was a real ghost and ran away. Sunny laughed and chased her around the house. He finally caught her in the kitchen and hugged her. "It's me, Sunny. I was just joking," he said. His mother was relieved but also very angry. Meanwhile, she saw the mess he had made in the kitchen and scolded him. Sunny apologized. He promised to never do such a thing again. He learned his lesson the hard way.
Moral of the story.
Moral for parents. Parents should be soft-spoken to their kids and see the things under carpet. Sunny's intent was only to give a cool surprise by baking some cake for his mother.
Moral for kids. Dear kids, if you want to do something or want to give a surprise to your parents, always take guidance from some elders before doing something. Otherwise, you might be in a big trouble. Thank you. Question time. What was Sunny's plan? 1. Bake some pizza. 2. Bake some cake. 3. Eat some cookies. What was Sunny's grandmother doing? 1. Watching TV. 2. Sleeping. 3. Yoga. Word bank. Intend. Means to plan or doing something. Apologize. Means to say sorry. Like and subscribe please. Bye bye.